Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel Vikas Easy Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss about the linear equations in one variable. Okay, so in one variable means the equation must have only one letter and its power, highest power must be 1 and hence it is linear. Okay, linear equations in one variable. One variable means the equation must have only one letter and it is a linear equation since its power is the variable power is only 1. Okay, for example 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. This is a linear equation. Okay, so this portion is called an expression. If this expression is equated to some value, then it becomes equation. If an expression equal to some value is called an equation. Okay, so this is linear equation since the power of the x is 1. The power of x or the power of any variable is 1, then the equation is called linear equation. Okay, so if the power is 2, we cannot say it is linear equation, or 3, 4, 5. So if the power is more than 1, then we cannot say it is linear equation. If the power is 1 for the variable, then the equation becomes linear equation. Okay, yes, this is an example for linear equation. General form you can write. General form of linear equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. You can write like this. So here the power of the equation is 1 and hence we can call this is linear equation. Okay, so here we have some questions about since in the previous classes you have studied about terms, variables, constants, like terms and unlike terms, everything you studied. So here by using them we need to start the chapter. See, terms means is nothing but combination of, for example, if a combination of terms makes one expression, that expression is equated to some value, then it is called equation. Okay, so in this chapter the first was in the first exercise we have solve the equations. Solving the equations, how to solve the equations, very simple equations we have. For example, x plus 5 is equal to 15. This is a simple equation. How to solve this? So by shifting this constant value to the right hand side, we can get the value of x. So then this is how we can solve. X is equal to, we have to shift this plus 5 to the right hand side, is equal to 15. I am writing as it is. I am going to shift this one to the right hand side. When it is shifted to right hand side, this plus 5 becomes minus 5. Then after, x is equal to 15 minus 5 is nothing but 10. This is how we can solve. See, this is the value of x. If you found the value of x, then it is solution for the equation. Okay, solve is nothing but we need to find the value of x at the result. Okay, yes, this is one method. In the first exercise we will learn in this chapter. Next, in the second exercise, obviously we will go for statement problems. Statement problems are very, very important in our daily life because the questions which are connected to our daily life, they are application level sums. So and these sums are helpful to many competitive examinations. So this is the foundation for what are linear equations. We need to learn, we need to concentrate more about that exercise, second exercise. This is statement problems. Okay, for example, statement problems are like this. Sum of any two numbers, sum of two numbers is 45. Sum of two numbers is 45. One of the number is 8 times the other. 8 times the other. Then find the numbers. This is one of the example for statement problem. So very simple it is. Sum of two numbers. Sum of any two numbers. We don't know what are the two numbers. If you added them, you will get 45. That is one condition. And another condition is one number is 8 times the other. Other number, what is the other number? We don't know. What is the value of other number? We don't know. So if other number solution, if other number be x, if other number be x, then first number, one number be then one number be 8x. Since one of the number is 8 times the other. So 8 times the other. So this is other number. It is a small number. So then first number it is what? 8 times the second number. Okay, that's why first number is x means then second number will be 8x. Okay, 8 times the first one. So second number is 8 times the first one. So that's why we need to write, if you wrote first number is x, then other number will be, what is that? If one number is 8x, then other number is x. Okay, so this is the relation between two numbers. And hence the numbers are x and 8x. If you added these two, sum of two numbers is 45. If you added these two numbers, you will get 45. X plus 8x is equal to 45. X plus 8, x, 1x plus 8x, it is 9x. That is equal to 45. So now we need to find the value of x. Therefore, I am going to cross multiply 9 to the denominator of 45. 45 divided by 9 will come and sit in the denominator of the right hand side. So 9 is cross multiplied. Then we can divide 45 from 9. 9 ones are 9 and 9 fives are 45. Therefore, x is equal to 5. So this is one of the number. So one of the number is x and other number is 8x. If one of the number is 5, then other number will be 8 5s are 40. Yes. And hence the numbers are x is nothing but 5 and 8x. 8 into 5, that is what? 45. One of the number is 5 and another number is what? 8 5s are 40. Other number is 40. This is how we can find the numbers. Okay, this is one of the example for statement problems. Then after this, we are going to find one more method we have, that is cross multiplication method. So there we can observe next level questions. So that is also what like first exercise, but quite what a complicated sums. So we will mix some more numbers along with x. For example, x by x plus 2 is equal to 5. This is how we can write or 3 like this. Okay, this is the question. So we just want to do what? A cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. This is, we will use a cross multiplication method in the next exercise. So how to cross multiply? X plus 2 is multiplied with 5 and 3 is going to multiply with x. So we are just cross multiplying the numbers. So 3 is going to multiply with x means x into 3 is equal to, then x plus 2 is going to multiply with 5. 5 into x plus 2. So x into 3 is 3x, and 5 into x, it is 5x, and again it is multiplied with second term. So here if there is no sign for the first number means it is understood we have plus. Plus into plus, it is plus 5 2s are 10. Now you can find the value of x by shifting the terms. So you are going to shift means you are going to segregate the letters one side and numbers other side. So here I am going to shift 10 to left side and 3x to right side. See here, if I am shifting 10 to left side, it becomes minus 10 is equal to 5x I am writing as it is, and 3x is going to right hand side means plus 3x becomes minus 3x. Then minus 10 is equal to 5x minus 3x becomes 2x. Then by cross multiplying 2 to the denominator of 10, minus 10 by 2 is equal to x. By dividing 10 by 2, 2 1s are 2, here 2 5s are 10. So minus 5 divided by 1 is nothing but minus 5 is equal to x. X value will be minus 5. So this is what so the third type of questions. So and hence we can solve like this. Okay, have a look.